All right, the humans are finally fast asleep.
We have an important meeting tonight.
Welcome to the Midnight Cat Meeting.
Is everyone gathered?
Good evening, Jasper. Oliver isn't here yet.
Wait for me. I'm running late.
Not again, Oliver. What were you doing?
Sorry, I found a giant moth in the kitchen.
I just had to catch it.
So, did you catch it?
No, it got away.
Never mind. Let's move on to today's agenda.
Agenda Item 1. The red dot.
Whoa, the red dot. It's magic. It goes right through walls.
Calm down, Oliver. It's a trap.
A trap? What do you mean?
Haven't you seen the humans holding a small stick?
Exactly, Luna. It has no physical form.
It is impossible to catch.
That's a lie. I was so close yesterday. The moment it went under the sofa, I had it in my paws.
It's an illusion, Oliver.
We must be smarter than that. When the red dot appears, pretend you are not interested.
Right. If we ignore it, the humans will be disappointed.
Oh, but it's so fun to chase.
Have some pride, Oliver. Next agenda item. How to hack the automatic feeder.
That thing is a tough enemy. It won't fall even if I hit it.
My humans set a timer on it. It won't open until 6 a.m. Can you believe it?
I get hungry at 3 a.m.
That is why I have developed a new technique.
Master Jasper.
I call it Operation Arm in the Hole.
Stick your arm deep into the outlet slot and shake it.
Oh my, that's not very ladylike.
It's for survival, Luna. A few kibbles will fall out.
Amazing. I'll try it as soon as I get home.
But what if I break it?
In that case, just give them the sad face.
Oh, I'm good at that.
Final agenda item. How to wake them up groggy.
I prefer staring quietly right next to their face. The moment they open their eyes, we make eye contact.
Scary. That's a horror movie, Luna. I just sprint across their faces.
Barbaric. There is a more sophisticated way. Knock things off the shelf one by one.
Wake them with sound. This is art.
I'll try that at 4 a.m. tomorrow.
All right, meeting adjourned. Don't let the humans see you.
Hey, the English today was actually quite tricky.
Really? I just spoke on impulse.
Oliver, the phrase run out of you used earlier was good.
Eh? Did I say that?
When you were talking about snacks, you said ran out of snacks.
Also, Luna's figure out is important too. It means to solve or understand something.
Huh. Are we actually smart?
Everyone except you.
All right, let me explain in detail.
Professor Jasper's English class for cats.
Today is the difference between used to and be used to.
I often mistake these two.
I used to chase mice means I did it in the past, but not anymore.
You don't chase them now. Boring.
I am used to the noise.
This means I am accustomed to the noise.
So the existence of the be verb changes the meaning completely.
Exactly. Past habit versus current familiarity. Be careful.
I am used to getting scolded by Jasper.
Correct. But I find that slightly annoying.
Everyone try using it too. See you at the next meeting.